What does love have to do with it? Remember those lyrics? Love is a universal language. But a lot of these movies these days, and a lot of books, they lack it. We're going to break that down. By the way, this is York. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, you write your stories, and I do as well. And I go to movies to be inspired. But sometimes, and a lot of people say this about these recent so-called blockbuster movies, is that they're missing one component. And some people can't put their mind in it. They think, is it the acting? Is it the special effects? What is it? How come some movies that you think are just gonna go skyrocket in the theater, they come up short? They become lemons, right? But the reason for this is because they lack the one component that binds us together. They lack the heart. You can have all the special effects you want. You can have monsters ripping up New York City. Everything could be happening. But if you lack that component, people say, oh, it was okay. They may pay their money. And the movie may make a lot of money. That's the crazy part, right? Because of all the promotion, but it's not memorable. You're not gonna take this movie with you and ponder and think about it, and right? A lot of movies, they just make tons of money, but they're not memorable because they lack the heart. I don't want your story to do that. You could have a book that is blowing up, a bestseller. But what is it if there's no love, right? If there's no heart in it. So when I write my stories for Welcome to Earth Stories, the sci-fi podcast, I've written tons and I've thrown away a lot because the mechanics are there, the acting is there, but the heart, I miss the heart. And whenever I do that, I get, nope, forget that. Even these videos that I record tons of these videos, but if I miss the heart, I'm like, nope, scrap that video. I'm not gonna put the one out there. And I suggest you do the same. Have your characters connect. I want you to feel the story, not just write the story, but feel it with all of your emotions. Have it be something that burns inside of you. And if it doesn't, then you need to retool it or you need to throw it away. I've worked with my actors on the show, and when I give them the script, I expect them to feel it. And if they don't, I say, hey, I think you need to redo this because you lack the heart. Now, I don't say it in that way because I'm a nice Canadian, right? Canadians don't talk like that. But I do say to them that you lack something and I want you to redo it. And when they redo it, it's gold. So this is just a little tip for you. Find the heart of the story, enjoy your characters, put yourself in their shoes, and you'll be a much better writer. That's it for now. Remember to like and subscribe once again, and also check out my sci-fi podcast, Welcome to Earth Stories. All the details is in the description. You take care, and I'll talk to you soon.